And as we come inside, you will first have your small living area space here. And this comes inside your kitchen. So this is the master bedroom. As you can see. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I'm Miklas and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of Moonglade by E-Infra and IRA Ventures project, which is located off Nehru Outer Ring Road, Manchi Verulla, Kokapet, Hyderabad. Now, before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project. As you can see, I'm standing exactly outside of the marketing office. And only a few minutes away walking distance is the land parcel. Now, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform, your number is shared with a lot of brokers, resulting chaos. But with Housey, it is directly shared with the developer, giving you a bottom rate guarantee. First one is the project overview. Moonglade is a luxurious ultra-premium residential project which is spread across 14 acres of prime land, which is spread across 7 iconic high-rise towers with 2 basements, 1 stilt, 4 podium and 40 floors. The project offers 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Now coming to the amenities part, the project provides you luxurious amenities like Starlight Clubhouse, which is 1,35,000 square feet. Then there's swimming pool, which has rooftop and more. Gym and wellness zones. There's indoor games and recreation areas. Kids play area or the daycare. Multi-purpose banquet hall, badminton, squash, basketball and a lot more. Coming to the location part, the project is located off Nehru Ring Road, Manchi Verulla, Kokapet, Hyderabad. This side of the road connects you to Narsingi. And that side of the road goes to the JSPA junction. Now, the nearby landmarks financial district is only 5 minutes away from here. Nehru Outer Ring Road 230 meters away, Gachibowli only 10 minutes away. So everyone, now I'll be giving you the sample flat tour of Moonglade for 3 BHK and the configuration for that is 2,740 square feet. Now, as we enter inside, of course, there is a huge door in the start which will have proper lock system. And as we come inside, you will first have your small living area space here. Now this area again is extremely spacious even though it's right in front of the door, and it also comes with proper electric units placed at 3 sides. You can add your TV or anything that you like. Now as we move inside, we first have our dining area which has been given enough spacious place to keep in the center. Now right in front of the dining area, you will notice your other living area space. This is again extremely spacious and this also comes with proper electric units and enough space for you to add extra sofas here. Now the living room comes with an attached balcony. You see the balcony is extremely spacious and it connects you both to your master bedroom and your second bedroom. There is also enough amount of sunlight from this side so you can add your plants or whatever you please like. You will notice that right in front of your dining area, there's another space given for you. So you can add your sink this side, and right next to it is given more space. So you can add your storage units like how it's shown here. And as we enter, there's a small puja room given over here as well, which also can be added by giving extra storage. And this comes inside your kitchen. The kitchen again is spacious, comes with proper window system for ventilation and proper marble flooring. On the other side of kitchen, there's been given electric units so you can add your fridge and enough space for you to add your extra kitchen storage here. And on this side, we also have a dry balcony where you can add your washing machine, and it is also open space for good amount of sunlight and ventilation. Now we will be moving towards our first bedroom. As you can see, the first bedroom is placed exactly close to your dining area. As you can see, your first bedroom is extremely spacious. This comes with enough space for you to add a study corner or your extra storage units as well. Now this room comes with an attached washroom. The attached washroom again has proper flooring system, transparent shower system and ventilation system. The room also comes with proper window system for enough amount of sunlight and ventilation. Now, right in front of your first bedroom comes your second bedroom, which is exactly opposite to it. Your second room is again a little more spacious than your first bedroom. As you can see, this side of the area has much more space, so you can add a larger area for your studying. And the other side of the area can be used for your storage. Now the best part about this room is it comes with the attached balcony. Like I mentioned, the living room connects you to this balcony as well. This side of the balcony is also there where you can see the other side and have a great view. Now this room also comes with an attached washroom. It also has the transparent shower system, proper ventilation system and proper flooring. Now, let me quickly tell you what does Housey exactly do for you. You see, on Housey's website, you can find everything about the project. We give you actual 360 virtual tour. We also take you on actual location. We also give you the sample flat videos or the project videos and information. Everything can be found at our Housey website. But for that, you will have to go and visit www.housey.com. For any more information, you can also click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below. Not just that, but we also give you EMI and down payment option with exclusive pricing details. Let's get into our master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. As you can see, the master bedroom is extremely spacious. Both sides of the room in this can be used to add a lot of storage. As you can see, the wardrobe system can come here and a lot of electric units are given on each side of the room. The room also comes with the attached balcony. Like I mentioned, this also connects you to your living area and your second bedroom. That side can be used for sightseeing or anything as you like. Now the best part about the master bedroom is that it comes with a walk-in closet. So this will be your walk-in closet system. Both the sides are given for you to have enough storage units. This side as well and this side as well. This area also comes with proper electric units. Now, the room obviously comes with an attached washroom. The attached washroom is again extremely spacious for your master bedroom. Comes with proper ventilation system, flooring and your transparent shower system. So everyone, this was the sample flat tour for 3 BHK of Moonglade. Hope you liked the video. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.